Welcome to Preserve at Weatherby, an established 55-plus community in Woolwich Township, New Jersey with top-notch completed amenities. I'm Mike. Let me show you around. This community features beautiful ranch homes, perfect for entertaining your family and friends. The open layout allows you to work in the kitchen without missing the action in the living room. Plus, with up to 4 bedrooms, you'll have plenty of room for your out-of-town guests to stay over. Your owner's suite with walk-in closet and private bath make a first-class oasis at the end of the day. From the first day you move in, you'll be able to enjoy the completed community amenities. Take advantage of the fitness center or relax by the outdoor pool. If you're feeling a bit competitive, go ahead and challenge your new neighbors to a game of bocce ball, shuffleboard, or tennis. With lawn maintenance and snow removal included, you'll have more time to enjoy these amenities and the countless things to do nearby. The Preserve at Weatherby is ideally located only 4 miles from 295 and the Turnpike. Whether you're still commuting to work or need easy access to get out and enjoy retirement, it's going to be a breeze to get around. Stroll the streets of historic Mullica Hill and downtown Swedesboro, pick up everything you need at a variety of local stores. Be sure to grab a bite to eat at Center Square Tavern, Botto's, or my favorite, the Red Hen. Why move far away from your family and friends, not to mention your grandkids? Stay close to the only gated 55-plus community in Gloucester County. Schedule your appointment today and come see why the Preserve at Weatherby is the perfect place to call home. We can't wait to meet you.